Hi guys, welcome to another video, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd start the vlog today as we've actually come to the Blue Mountain. I've been 3 times before. I've camped here as well, which was so cool, but Sam's never been, so super excited to experience it with him. The only downside, if you can call it that, is it's really foggy today. So we've just drove past Echo Point, which is where you can see the Three Sisters, and yeah, it's just completely white. It's quite cool, quite eerie, but obviously Sam can't see the view. It's not the end of the world. We're gonna go on a nice walk. I'm not sure which one yet, but we'll obviously take you along with us, and yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, when I said there was fog, I was not exaggerating. This is the Echo Point Three Sisters lookout, and it looks beautiful. I'm enjoying the view.
It's a great view, babe.
The Three Sisters are about there. Let's go! Let's go! We've been walking for about 15 minutes. We've already got snacks. What do you want to say?
Looks like a big spider. I want to see a big spider.
Actually insane.
Strut it, baby. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, pose. Strike a pose. Yeah, thank God for that. Get a bit of peace.
We've just finished our walk and we're driving to Wentworth Falls because the walk there was 10k one way, so we would have done like a half marathon, obviously walking, and I didn't fancy that today, so we did a little walk. We actually did 7k, came back to the car, demolished some yogurt, and now we're just driving there. And from what I remember, it's absolutely gorgeous, so I'm excited to show Sam. We're on the way back from Wentworth Falls now. We honestly thought it'd be like a little walk, but it was about, I think we did an hour and 45 minutes, like there and back included. And I didn't realise that that's where it was, if that makes sense. And as soon as I got there, I remembered the stairs. I wish I could show you the stairs, but I couldn't film it because I was just trying not to like fall off. But I think Sam got like a little video. If he did, I'll insert it now. But it was actually really cool. I'm glad we went down. I've done that walk twice before, but I just didn't realise that that was Wentworth Falls. I definitely recommend, but be prepared for all of the stairs. Oh my god, it was so tiring. We've just stopped off now at Servo to get some iced coffees. Hopefully they've got chai so I can get one as well. Sam just persuaded me to get Hungry Jack's tonight as well, which is essentially like the Australian Burger King. They have plant-based menu for me, which is obviously good, and he really wants to try it, so I have been persuaded, and that is the plan. As soon as we get home, we've still got just over an hour to go. Thank you, Mama.
Your chai, Mrs.
Nice.
Spending Valentine's Day with Emily.
Morning. We've come down together today to watch the sunrise. It's a Tuesday, but Sam's actually off work for some reason. I don't really understand, so much through the construction world. And it's actually our first anniversary together, which is super exciting, so we're gonna have a really nice day together. And what a better way to start than this. The sunrise this morning was absolutely gorgeous. We had our pancakes for breakfast, and now we're just on our way to Wattamolla Beach. We actually found out about this from someone in a tool shop. He was showing us pictures and telling us that we must go there. And today is super hot. It's going to be 40 degrees where we live, and I think where we're going it's about 32. And there's a gorgeous little beach and picnic area, so that should be super fun.
Hi guys.
We finished up at Wattamolla and we've come for a sandwich stop on the way home because we were absolutely starving. I'm gonna make these up. Insane. I hope they're good. We're from a place called Loaf Sandwiches. I don't actually know where we are, but I know there's one in Cronulla too. But they look so good.
That's insane.
That looks so good. That's crazy. We've been home and got ready to go out. Oh my god, for date night. And the weather has took a turn for the worse. Oh my god. Australia weather is actually crazy. This looks incredible. Sunday today, the day that this video goes live, and I didn't end the vlog again, so I thought I'd just film a little quick ending now. I do also want to just include a few clips from yesterday. We went on a harbour cruise around like the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge, courtesy of Sam's work. They put on like this little kind of like party event for a few of the people there, and really luckily like he got invited and then he was allowed to bring me with him, which was super cool. So we literally just kind of sat on the boat for, I think it was like 4 hours, and it didn't like really go far, but we were just kind of sailing around at the Sydney Opera House, so it was really nice. The weather was super lovely. So yeah, I got a few little clips and I'll insert them now. But I hope you enjoyed the little vlog that I did of the first few days of this week, our anniversary, and going to the Blue Mountains as well. If you're in or around Sydney, 100%, like million% recommend. The Blue Mountains are one of my favourite places that I've seen in Australia so far, including like last time I was here, and yeah, they're just absolutely gorgeous, and I could go like so many more times and see like different things every time, go on different walks as well, so super fun. For my next video I'm actually going to film a bit of like a Q&A more related to around like travel over the past few years, where I've come to Australia, like gone back home, now like come back out, went to Bali and Singapore and stuff like that. I've had quite a few questions over the years about like that side of stuff, you know, like how it is coming out here in the first place, you know, what kind of visas, solo traveling as a female, and then also questions around like coming back home and adjusting to that kind of life once you've been traveling. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment or like DM me on Instagram. I'm going to do a little like question box as well, so I can kind of answer all the questions in one place. Yeah, thank you so much for watching another vlog, and thank you for the support on my first 2 videos. It really does mean a lot. I'm having such a good time experimenting on this little YouTube journey, and hopefully like I can keep getting better and remembering to vlog more as well, and remembering to film the endings. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for our Q&A.